Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's talk on motivational stories. Our theme for this session is the power of courage, growth, and success in our personal and professional lives, all tied together by the incredible world of QuickBooks services. Our first story brings us to a young girl named Sophie. Sophie was born without sight, but that didn't stop her from dreaming of becoming a successful accountant. With the help of her grandmother, Sophie learned to navigate her way through the world of QuickBooks services with the courage to take on new challenges. And today, Sophie is not only a successful accountant, but also an inspiring speaker, motivating others to believe in themselves and their dreams. Our second story takes us to a man named John who struggled with depression and anxiety throughout his life. However, he realized that he could turn his life around and find success in the world of QuickBooks services. With the help of therapy and the support of his friends and family, John learned the importance of courage, growth, and perseverance. Today, John is a successful accountant and a role model for others, showing them that it's never too late to overcome their challenges and achieve greatness. The final story takes us to a team of friends who started a small accounting business from home. They faced many challenges along the way, but their passion for helping others and their determination to succeed led them to grow their business exponentially. Today, their company is a QuickBooks services powerhouse, making a positive impact on countless lives. These stories teach us that with courage, growth, and a strong belief in ourselves, we can achieve greatness in any field. So, let us all take inspiration from these remarkable individuals and strive to make our own dreams a reality, no matter the obstacles we face. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, every small step towards your goals is a step in the right direction.